Hey, beautiful people. Thank you for flowing into Art Flow. Today, I am going to be drawing with my beautiful oldest daughter, Felicity. Felicity, what are we going to be drawing today?
We are going to be drawing a mermaid.
A mermaid. I don't know if you can see her tail. Mermaid. Yes, we're going to be drawing a mermaid, and we're going to be drawing the 2023 version of the mermaid, the Little Mermaid. All right. All right.
She's brown. Like us.
She is brown. She is brown just like you, and that is awesome. I love it. Anybody of any color can play the Little Mermaid, right?
Yeah.
You're right. That's right. All right. You ready to get started?
Oh yeah.
All right. Let's get flowing.
Woo! Woo!
Okay. So now we're gonna get started on drawing the Little Mermaid, the 2023 version, which is played by Halle Bailey. And Felicity has a fun fact about her. What do you want to say, Felicity?
That her uncle is my mom used to go to school with her.
Yes, and with him and her aunts, and my brother used to play ball with her uncle. Yeah. So that's just a fun fact that I feel like I kind of know her, but not really. So we're gonna draw 2023 version of Little Mermaid, and it's probably not gonna look like Halle, but it's gonna be Little Mermaid.
Yeah, you just keep on flowing.
And sorry for my scratchy voice. Okay, so first we're gonna draw a head. Is it round like that? Okay.
Straws, yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to draw like a line like that. And then draw another line that curves up like that. And another line that kind of curves up like that. All right. So now we're going to draw her neck. So we're just going to draw 2 lines just like that.
I would do my leg.
Okay, 2 lines. Okay, now we're going to come down to draw a shoulder just like that. And then we're going to do the other side just like that. All right. So now we're going to draw like the other part of her arm. And we're going to come down like that. Just a little bit like that. And curve it down a little bit and draw like a little finger. And another little. Okay, all right. And then we're just gonna go, oh, you know what? I should have did this first so I can connect my arms. Draw a little line like that. Okay, we're not gonna do the other side, and then that way it'll make more sense when we connect our arms. Okay, and then we're just gonna do like that. Good, good, good. Okay, so now we're gonna do the other side. This side hand is facing down. I'm gonna face this side of the hand up. Okay, so we're gonna just draw a line just like we did earlier.
Just make it like that.
Yeah, and then we're gonna draw the little part of the hand like that, right there. The little part. And then we're gonna, because it's gonna be facing up, and then a bigger part. Okay, and then we're just gonna connect it down to the arm. Mine didn't connect all the way, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to draw the mermaid's body, okay?
Okay.
So we're going to do like a little line like that, and then a line like that. Or a little curve, as they're not lines, it's curves to make the top of her.
And it's kind of like you're doing a heart.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, like a heart.
Like a little bird.
Like a little bird or heart, okay. So then we're just gonna come down a little bit like this. Okay, and go over a little bit like that. And then we're just gonna come down like this. Just connect that right there.
Like.
Yep, just come straight down. All right. And then we're gonna do like a little curve like that. And then a little line like that. Okay. And then another line going that way. And then we're just gonna connect that.
That was getting a little tricky.
I know it's getting a little tricky. This has been tough for me to draw. Okay, so now we can draw her tail. Okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna come all the way around like that.
Almost like you're doing a seaboard here.
Yeah, kind of. And then we're gonna draw like diamond, like a draw a diamond. So on the end right there, the top of a diamond, and then come back down like this. Okay, and then we're gonna finish and come around and then go out like that.
So just
And then come around, go out like that.
bigger.
Yeah, make it bigger. I don't know if I like my mermaid tail, but it's okay. Okay.
I like mine.
Okay, yours is cute.
That looks like
Never-
Ursula.
Now we're gonna draw a fin on the tail, so like
Is that
this.
the name, Ursula?
Yes. So you see what I did here? Curve like that.
From this.
And then bring the other down to that point. To the
Like
point.
you're drawing a leaf.
Yes. And then another one to draw. What's that? We're doing the best we can. But you know what? It looks like a mermaid. I think it looks like a mermaid.
It looks like the mermaid tail I was
It
wearing.
does. It does. I think I want to draw a belly button.
Oh yeah.
But I'll do that later when I do the skin. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw 3 lines here. Like that.
Up where they walk, up where they run.
Okay, so her hair is the tricky part. That's the tricky part, because she has locks. So Callie has locks. So she has locks in the movies, which is what dreadlocks, like what Daddy has. They're like little they're like braids. So that's what she has in the movie. Okay.
Like my cousin.
Yes. So I'm gonna make the lines a little bit wavy. So I'm gonna start right here on her tail and just do a little wave line there. Just like a little wave line right there.
Like my cousin, and his name also starts with drag.
Yes. Okay. And then I'm just going to kind of, let's see. I'm going to draw it to, we're going to draw some wavy lines. And then I'm going to stop right there. We stop at that little point. Okay. And then I'm just going to connect like that.
I don't think I stopped that.
It's okay. You can still connect it because it's like a part we put in our hair. See, it's okay.
I like
Alright.
that part.
Me
Like
too.
a little sideways part.
Me too. And then we're gonna come out because our hair is flowing in the water and just kind of do this. Just however, we kind of do.
And then like some little, like
Yeah.
another one of these. For
Yeah,
like a little
and then-
shimmer.
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna come around like that and just, yeah, and then draw another. See, it looks like her hair is flowing. I wish I had made it a little bit longer, but it's okay. I think it looks like a mermaid.
That's what I was about to
Yeah,
say.
so I'm gonna do my eyes and stuff later because,
Yeah.
okay, let's draw a flower because I did it earlier and I drew a flower and I forgot. And I drew the lines in her hair and I forgot to draw the flower. So we're gonna draw a flower like right here. Or you can draw a flower anywhere. And I'm just gonna do that.
I'm gonna draw mine up here. And then I'm just going to.
And you can draw whatever kind of flower you want to draw. You can draw look however you want it to look. Okay. All right. So now is what I'm going to draw like the lines to make it look like locks. So I'm just going to draw a squiggly line there, squiggly line there. And then we're just going to, just like this. Nice job. Yeah.
It's looking like a mermaid already.
I know. Looks like.
And then keep on going.
Yeah, just keep on going, and they're just drawing locks just everywhere. Just drawing squiggly lines. Yep, just like that. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, Felicity.
Last one.
That's good.
Let's just do one more.
And maybe like right there, because that's her hair right there.
Oh, yeah.
So I saved the eyes and the nose and all that stuff for last because I want you to draw your eyes and nose however you want to draw your eyes and nose, okay?
Yeah.
So now you can just draw her eyes, nose, or eyebrows, whatever you want
Like
to
you
put on
can
it.
do little dots for her eyes.
Sure, you can do a little dot, you can do eyes, however you want to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my eyes, draw some eyebrows. Which I actually didn't, ooh, yours looks pretty. I actually didn't want to draw, I shouldn't have drawn my eyes black because I wanted to draw the color of her eyes. I didn't think about that. But anyway. Well, Felicity finished hers really quickly.
Mm-hmm. She's just closing her eyes.
Okay. I'm drawing some eyelashes on her eyes. I think I messed it up with my eyelashes. Okay.
I think the new movie's coming out next week, actually.
Next week, I think, is it next week or the week after? I think it's actually the week after, the 26th.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Okay.
Oh.
All right. So we want to draw some fish. You want to draw some fish like her? I'm gonna draw. I think I'm gonna draw some bubbles. Draw little bubbles there.
Anywhere you want.
Anywhere you want.
Mm-hmm.
Big bubble, medium-sized bubble, and draw a fish somewhere up in there. Okay. Mine definitely does not look like Chloe. I keep saying Chloe, Halle Bailey, but she's cute.
Why did you say Chloe?
I don't know. That's the oldest sister. Her oldest sister's Chloe. And did you want to draw some what do you call it, scales on her, or you were gonna leave? I don't know if I want to draw scales on mine.
Yeah, I'm not.
I think I'm gonna.
I'm just gonna make my bubbles look better by doing this.
Okay. Now I'm gonna draw. Your mermaid is so pretty, Felicity. She's beautiful. Okay. Now we want to draw fish. You showed me how to draw fish the other day.
Oh yeah.
Felicity showed me how to draw fish because she said I wasn't drawing it right.
Mhm. I can show you again.
Okay.
Let me just put my.
Oh, you're right. She's doing little
There you go.
in her bubbles, so I need to do that.
I can.
Okay, show me how to draw fish. Okay. Okay. So like that. It's just like an 8.
But it's not. It's just
It's just
do
like an
a
8.
little,
Okay.
like a little heart, but then you crisscross it.
Oh, okay.
It's like a little heart
And then crisscross it.
and crisscross.
All right. Okay, I think I'm gonna draw like a seaweed right here.
Oh, I know how to draw seaweeds. Good seaweeds. But I'm just gonna copy.
Yeah, I just draw a squiggly line. And I draw a little thing on top right there. And I'm just gonna draw it all the way down. Maybe a little one right here. All right. Okay. What do you think?
I don't think it looks good, but I think it looks amazing.
Amazing. All right. Well, let's bring this mermaid to life. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's get
for
coloring.
sure.
we are done with the Little Mermaid. I think we did an awesome job. Felicity has green bubbles. I've never seen green bubbles before, but they're beautiful. Your mermaid is beautiful. Her mermaid is so pretty. This is our 2023 version of the Little Mermaid. I think we did an awesome job. What do you think?
Yep.
They both look beautiful. They both look like mermaids, and they look like they are just ready to just jump in the ocean, jump into the sea, and just fly, or fly, not fly, and swim.
I just want to make this come to life.
I know we also really came to life. Okay, we did awesome. All right, you guys, thank you so much for drawing with Art Flow today. I think we did an awesome job bringing the Little Mermaid to life, the 2023 version. What do you think?
I think we did, but we forgot to do something.
What did we forget to do?
Snap up 3. 1, 2, 3.
She showed up in the video, you guys. Look at her beautiful locks. She has it in a ponytail right now, but look at her beautiful tail and her beautiful hair. She's just so pretty, and we are so excited to see this movie when it comes out.
Yeah.
Right? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, that's all that we have for you today. If you enjoyed this video and all of our other videos, please subscribe to our channel. Before we leave, we want you to always remember to
love your neighbor.
All right. Bye, guys. Wish I could be part of that world. I could play Ariel, can I?
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
I should play her. I should play you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.